I'm sure you guys realize that I'm not in the FRS today. The reason why is because we're gonna go pick up a big, heavy metal block, huge one. So we're actually filling up gas real quick. We're going to Lonzo's house. We're actually picking up two, one for me, one for Lonzo, and I'll fill you guys in when I get there of what exactly it is. I'm sure you guys will see. It's gonna be in the thumbnail. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go head to Lonzo's right now. So I'll catch you guys there. So I just left Lonzo's shop, or actually I'm still at Lonzo's shop. We picked up a hoist from his shop. We're gonna go pick up the other engine, my engine, from my buddy's house. We're gonna go buy it off him. It does have a spun bearing, so I'm gonna rebuild it, put some rods, pistons, whatever. I'll let you guys know after I pick it up. We did also pick up Lonzo's engine from his garage. I can't say what it is, what it's for, but it's actually really cool.
For the chosen, you can go and get mad. Jumping in the bed with 2 dot tick, man. Who's you? My shawty pulling up.
So as you guys can see, I got the motor back there. We're gonna go drop off the motor at Lonzo's shop for a bit until I clear out space in my backyard. So for now, Lonzo's shop, that's where it's gonna be for resting for about a week or two. So I'll catch you guys, or I'll fast forward, or I'll meet you guys there, and then I'll show you guys what we're gonna do and kind of give you guys a rundown. Also, this video I will be including the list that I was talking about previous video about the goals, so stay tuned to that part. It's gonna be later on. It's gonna be the last 5 minutes or so. So we got the motor dropped off to its temporary home. I'll give you guys a quick run around of what it looks like as of right now. But I'm going to clean it up and then take off everything, the wiring, the head, and all that jazz later on when I get the time. So a quick preview of the motor. It's a 2017. It's spun a rod, and honestly that doesn't matter because everything internally is getting torn out and then replaced. So here's a quick overview before I do clean it and I do remove everything. This is just an extension of the mass airflow. So yep, this is the motor that will be making around 600 horsepower. Stay tuned, but that won't be soon, but it will happen relatively soon-ish. I won't say within a year, hopefully. Alright guys, so this is a few days after the previous clip of the engine drop off at Lonzo's shop. So I did want to have a quick sit down with you guys and say Happy New Year once again. And I want to let you guys know that I am actually going to put a calendar together, or a whiteboard. I'll probably put it in my room or something, of exactly what I want to achieve in 2023 for this channel and my car. So if you guys have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you. So I want to start off the list. I want to put everything on my phone. So I want to start off with wide bodying my car. I want to for sure do that by the end of the year. Just stay tuned. It might be sooner, it might be later. I do want to bag it. I don't want to keep it static. I know with bags and static, people say, oh, bags or whatever, but you know, wide bodies, they're fiberglass, so they can break if you hit a bump. Essentially, I want to do a whole bunch of cosmetic things. I've done a lot to my car performance wise. I've boosted it. I'm on E85 and a whole bunch of stuff. So I think it's time to actually make it look good, because my car is definitely a 15-footer car. If you come close to it, you can see all the paint fading, the paint cracking, a whole bunch of other things. So I do want to change the interior a bit. I want to change out the automatic shift boot, maybe my steering wheel, The steering wheel is fading really hard. The pleather, I think it's called, on the steering wheel is terrible. So I also want to change out the seats. Those are ripping. But all in all, my goal at the end of the day is I want to try to hit at least 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and hopefully I can get there. So anyway, to wrap it up, thank you guys all for watching. Stay tuned for next week. I do have something exciting for you guys. So anyway guys, everybody stay safe. Happy New Year's. Set those goals, achieve those goals. Make sure you guys do that. Comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you guys comment everything you guys have for me within, if it's like ideas or suggestions or whatever it may be. Just make sure you guys leave those as a comment. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Catch you guys later. Till next time, peace.